How was your trip?
Very nice, actually. I've been reading this book called College City. That is very interesting. The author talks about the design of an imaginary city overlapping fragments of exciting towns like Paris and Rome.
Oh, that's very nice. Let's go for a walk while you tell me more about it. We can start with the shopping area.
Wow, what an amazing view. From here you can really understand the complexities that Colin talks about his book.
Yeah, you can distinguish very well the different typologies of the buildings and the periods.
And which is that building that's older?
That would be the Hauptbach, the old guardhouse from the 18th century, but actually it's a rebuilt building from the 1968.
The skyscraper being completely changed in image.
I totally agree.
Then what next?
That's the banking district, where the skyscrapers are. It's impressive to see such tall buildings.
Yeah, it looked like Manhattan, and that one over there looks super small in comparison.
That's Deutsche Bank's office from the 20s. The district kept developing with these skyscrapers, but this building remained. It remembers how everything started.
And where is the old part of the city?
Well, it's next door. They call it the New Old Town because a big part of it was destroyed during the war in the 40s, and then they rebuilt it. A part of it is Romoberg. Facades look like Middle Ages, but actually the interiors are modern. And over there in the background, you can see the Gothic cathedral.
In the end, historical events leave their mark on the city, like the College City.
Yeah, exactly. Let's go now to the bridge. From there, we can see the green areas where people spend their free time. And over there, the museum suffer, that in the 70s it was proposed to transform this area into the cultural zone.
The view from the bridge is amazing. To see the banking area we saw before on one side of the river and this museum in the other side, it's very interesting.
Yeah, it's a city of many contrasts, and these museums were made by transforming historic villas and adding new impressive buildings, giving Bank Frankfurt the image of cultural city, not only financial.
Frankfurt is already a college city finally, don't you think?
Frankfurt's zoning and historical evolution make it a collage city. A city full of contrast and diversity can be attractive, but at the same time some areas become dominant over others, like the skyscrapers that keep happening without an order. Fragments become functionally isolated, while in reality they are very close to each other. Public spaces and green areas could become the glue to solve these cracks, creating a network and integrating all these parts without forgetting about the historical context and local identity. Would this be enough?